Hello there! Today we look into the features of the Mega Menu block, which is included in the Caledros Basic Blocks WordPress plugin. This plugin can be installed directly from the plugins section of the WordPress dashboard. It's also available for download on WordPress.org and from my GitHub account. Links are provided in the video description. Mega Menu and Menu Link differences. The Mega Menu block has the same controls as the Menu Link, except for two additional controls, the Mega Menu Template and the Mega Menu with controls. Both controls allows us to connect a WordPress template part to the Mega Menu block. This template part becomes visible when the cursor hovers the Mega Menu block. Mega Menu Template Control. This control allows us to select the template part that will be connected to the Mega Menu block. To create a template part for the Mega Menu, we will go to Appearance, Editor, Patterns, Add Pattern, and then click on Add Template Part. We will select the Mega Menu area and then type the name of our custom template part. Finally, we will click on Add to save the new template part. Now our Mega Menu template will be opened in the Gutenberg editor. As a template part, we can add any block, from images to text. In this example, I'm adding a grid layout built using the grid block. After saving the changes, our new Mega Menu template will be available to select. Mega Menu with Control. This control allows us to set the width in pixels for the Mega Menu template. To ensure a more cohesive design, the width of the Mega Menu should match the container width specified in the Mega Menu template editor. Thank you for watching.